So let us do something really cool again using automation rules on Jira on cloud. So what I want to do today is, let us say you have a situation which I think is quite common, where you have different issues linked to each other and you have some kind of hierarchy. So maybe you have a project where you want to keep track of your initiatives, and initiatives are linked to, let us say, Epic, and epics are of course linked to stories. So this could be a situation, and this is of course something that I'm sure many people are doing, especially when you are doing these things using a tool like advanced roadmaps. So if you have some kind of hierarchy, and that hierarchy can be using issue links, or maybe epics and stories and subtasks. Now imagine that you have this situation where you want to reflect the status, or you want to basically roll up the status from lower levels to the higher levels. So what I want to do is, I want to basically make sure that whenever all the stories in my epic are finished, then change the status of the epic to done. And once the epic is done, maybe you want to also update or change the status of the linked initiative. So I believe we talked about this linking of, or basically auto closing the epics based on the stories. I am quite sure I talked about this. Let me just do a quick check. I'll check my videos, and I'm also trying to show you how to find my videos. So I'll go to my courses, and then what I'm looking for Mastering Jira Cloud Automation, I believe, where let us see if we have this automation. Transition. Okay, let us add a comment on linked issue. I can't remember if I did this, but anyways, so I have a rule already. I'll probably show you the rule, how it looks like. So there are two rules. Number one, the first rule will make sure that whenever you change the status of story, and if all the stories under that epic are closed or done, then change the epic status as well. So we are going to trigger this when the issue is transitioned to done. And you can also add one more condition, that only do it for maybe stories or issue types that are not epic. And then we'll find out the epic, and then we'll check if the status is not already, there is a condition, if the status is not already done, then then we'll basically look for all these stories that are related, or basically all other stories in the epic, and check the status. If this is also true, then we'll proceed further. We can probably add a comment like epic transition to done, or maybe the main thing that we want to do is, we want to transition the issue to done. So this is the rule number one, and you can of course test it, and maybe we can test it again. But what I also want to do is, along with the epic, I also want to change the status of the initiative which is linked, and this is basically using the issue link is caused by. So let us go to the second rule, and for the second rule, what we'll do, we'll listen for basically this event called issue transition to done. I'm not really adding any other condition, but I think you should, just to make this rule a bit more tight. It's not the right word, but a bit more relevant for what we want to do. So let us use this for linked issues, and right now it is looking for all link types, but we can just limit it to maybe the is caused by. So let us find is caused by. So I think this makes sense. Maybe causes. Let us see. So in this particular rule, what we are doing is, we are using for linked issue. So we'll reach the linked issue. Then for that particular linked issue, we will basically transition that issue, which is initiative in our case. It could be any other issue type. So that is up to you how you want to define the rule. So this is of course just to show you, and what we'll do, we'll copy the transition from the trigger issue. So if the trigger issue is in progress, if the trigger issue status is in progress or done, we'll copy it straight away. So let us publish this, and what we'll do, we'll monitor the audit log for both the rules. And for testing this, what we'll do, we'll change the story status from in progress to done. So this is the first trigger at the story level. So done, and we will wait for maybe a few seconds, I guess. In the meantime, I'll go to my rule, my first rule, which is working for stories and epics. I'll refresh it, and did it? I guess it did something. So it says success, and I'll go to my epic. I'll take a look at my issue, and it says it is done, which is great. But the second issue, which is the initiative, it is still to do. And let me go to that rule, and let me also do a refresh of this. So it says no actions performed, and we can take a look at why. So it says here that no related issues could be found. So let us take a look at the issue itself. Okay, so right now what this is doing is, so this rule is definitely getting triggered, but I think it is only working for the transition for the story level. But what we really want to do is trigger this rule we want to trigger this rule from another rule, and for doing that I need to basically go to the rule details and also check this rule to be triggered from other rules. And when we do that, what will happen? This rule will basically work when the epic is also transitioned, because I think right now what we are doing is we are of course looking for the epics here, but this rule will not work unless you check this box. And let us try it again. I'll monitor the audit log, and then I will go to my epic. I'll change the status to in progress just to test it again. I will change the status of the story as well to maybe in progress so that we can trigger it again. So basically what we want to do is we want to use two rules in this particular automation. So let us now change the status of the story to done, and hopefully this will trigger the first rule, and we'll monitor it. We'll click on the refresh log, and I think it did something, and we'll go to the second one as well, and I think the second one is in progress, and we'll click on it again, and it says success. So I'll disable this rule because I think it is we didn't really add a check to basically stop this rule after one link. I think we can probably make this rule a bit more limited. But if we go to the epic should be done. And if you now go to the original task that was linked earlier, and it was of course it is in a different project, but it can be anywhere. It could be in the same project actually, and the issue type is task, but it could be, you can create your own issue type called initiative, whatever you want to call it. But the main thing that I wanted to show you is that the transition was triggered from another transition. One rule is triggered from another rule, and that is actually working because in the rule details we have this check here. So this is a nice way to basically trigger a rule from another rule, and this works quite nicely. But you have to be careful about limiting this, because you don't really want to continue transitioning the issues, like all the issues in your Jira instance, and it can be a bit confusing, and people will be unhappy. And just make sure you write the rule with all the conditions, relevant conditions. And talking about the rule to transition the epic when all the stories are done, you can take a look at this rule here. Basically, I explained it earlier, but you can add a condition here, one more condition here, that only do it for story or maybe task. So that is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you also learned something new today. Thank you very much.